2017 Porsche Carrera 991.2, which is the 3-litre flat 6 twin turbo engine 911 Carrera. The cherished number plate you see there will not form part of the sale. That's coming off the vehicle, and age related number plate will go on. You'll see there the sports exhaust system, rear privacy glass. You'll notice the door mirrors fold in there. When locking, that's an option you can select on the system. It's always been garaged there from new, 17,000 miles. Bought it from Tewkesbury Centre Porsche. For myself, driven by myself, never been on a track day. 17,000 miles. This is the interior, of course. There you'll see the special key in its leather fob, which matches the interior colours of the leather. Has never been used. I've used a spare key. This is a special presentation box, which has got I've put photos of that on the website. There's all the original documentation, purchase invoices and one thing and another there. And then, service history. Do need to give it a hoover. I used it on the weekend. Sunroof there. Obviously that all opens. There's blind that comes across here. There you can see the mileage of the vehicle. If we open the front and the rear engine compartment, so water, oil, Carrera 3-litre. That's all you see of the engine. And then in the front of the vehicle, you'll see here, I took these out earlier, never been used, it's never had a flat tyre, never been towed. And this unit here pops in there, and you see there's the original bottle of gunk, or if you do have a flat tyre. Plenty of storage in the vehicle, the original triangle. Everything's complete, everything's original from when it was delivered new to me or collected by me. And then inside here you can see you've got the PDK gearbox. You've got the flappy paddles there for manual override, so you can drive it manually and change gear manually here, or you can intervene and change the gears here if you wish to do so, or just drive it in straightforward sort of semi-auto mode. You'll see here you've got the sports exhaust. That's the engine shut off, traffic lights, etc. This is the sunroof, traction control, sports suspension there. One key thing which is very rare is seat cooling. So in these seats here, in the perforations, you've got fans on a warm hot day. It's lovely, it keeps you nice and cool. Heated seats, of course, there. Twin zone air conditioning. Up here you can put a CD in if you've still got some. You've also got the ability to put sort of memory chips in here and SIM cards and one thing another. Apple CarPlay you can run on this. It's obviously got the sat nav and one thing another. There's the mileage, as you can see, 16,948. Sports chrono package with the switchable mode switch here. You've got it in standard mode, sports mode, sports plus, and you can program this one to whatever mode you want. This is the sports leather steering wheel, which has got all the other extra controls for phone, accept, cancel, volumes up and down. This is for scrolling through the menus. So what I'll now do is I'll now fire her up. That's standard exhaust at the moment, not sports exhaust. You won't really notice sports exhaust until it's warmed up a bit, but it's not switched on at the moment. That's standard exhaust. Got the 4 LED lights there at the front. Put on sports exhaust. There you are, sports exhaust. Sound wonderful. There you are. That's the summary of this Porsche Carrera, available now. Thank you.